How to enable or disable metadata display in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and navigate to the media page where all your clips and media files are displayed clearly. Next, to enable the metadata display, look for the metadata panel, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Once the metadata panel is open, you will be able to see detailed information about your selected clip, including important data such as the file name, format, codec, frame rate, resolution, and other technical details that help you manage your footage more efficiently. This feature makes it easier to access essential information quickly without the need to open multiple menus or windows. To disable the metadata display, simply click the metadata panel icon again. This will hide or disable the panel, giving you a cleaner look. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable metadata display in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.